Hello everyone, welcome back to Lobas Tech Hub. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the HP laptop 14 CF2033wm. So before we continue, I'd like to say a very big welcome to all my returning subscribers, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, let's start off by taking a closer look at the specs of this laptop. This laptop has an Intel Pentium Silver processor, has a 128GB solid state drive, has a 4GB DDR4 RAM, it has no optical drive, it comes with a Windows 10 pre-installed, which is in an S mode, so you need to take that off before you can install any other thing. It also comes with a Microsoft 365 subscription, which gives you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and everything Microsoft has to offer to you. And for those of you who have no idea about what an S mode is, an S mode is a security feature provided by Microsoft to prevent you from installing any other software that doesn't come from the store or the Microsoft store. So in order for you to be able to install other softwares or third-party softwares, you will need to deactivate this feature, so you would be able to install other softwares to run smoothly as you like it to be. So guys, let's take a close look at the packaging before we get inside the box. As you can see, this is a fresh laptop that the seal hasn't been broken yet, and today I'm going to be breaking the seal. You just need a pair of scissors or a knife to cut through the seal. So guys, as you can see, the seal is neatly broken by me, and I'll soon start showing you everything inside the box. So guys, as I continue to show you what's inside or what the laptop looks like, I like to recommend this for every student because this will be more suitable for students. I can also recommend this for office duties, not so much heavy office duties due to the processor it contains, but then it should work fine with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and anything basic. I'm going to continue by taking everything out of the box. As you can see, the laptop is on the desk. It comes with a manual. It also comes with an extra mouse, which makes it very easy to use. The mouse is very silent and it's very easy to use. Comes with some extra sets of instructions, some more instructions as usual, and then there goes the charger. That is where the charger is. This is how the charger looks like. So this is a blue pin charger. It has a 19.5 volts and a 45 watts, and as you can see from the pin, it's a blue pin charger. This is where the power connector goes. It also comes with the power connector. You're going to have to connect this to the power adapter so you'd be able to charge your laptop. So that's how the power connector is connected to the power adapter. Now let's take a closer look at the mouse. As you can see, this has been neatly packaged with the HP logo and serial numbers, everything intact. This is sealed, has never been broken. I'll just go ahead and break the seal. It comes with some sets of instructions. Everyone knows how to use a mouse. But should in case this is your first time trying out the mouse, you should carefully read this out. This is going to tell you how to put the battery and how to connect it to the laptop. Taking a close look at our main focus, which is the mouse. I'll carefully take it out. As you can see, this is a very nice mouse. This is flat. Has a silence click and is very classy. also comes with a battery, so you do not have to worry about getting a battery for it. This battery is an Energizer. It's a very good battery. I've had good experience with this battery and you can trust it. It also comes with an infrared receiver. This is what you are going to have to connect to the laptop in order for you to use the mouse. Without this, the mouse wouldn't work. So make sure you connect this to the laptop before you start using the mouse. So now let's put everything aside and move to our main focus, which is the laptop. So guys, as you can see, this laptop has a very nice finishing and a very nice color. Let's take a very close look at the laptop and what it has on them. So as you can see, the laptop has a Type-C port on the other end together with the power indicators, and the other side it has two USBs, one HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a headphone jack together with a charging port on the other side as well. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard. This keyboard is very nice, it's very soft and very easy to use. It wouldn't give you any problems, and you can use this even if there is no light or even if it's in the dark. As you can see on the laptop, you saw the Pentium Intel Silver sticker on it. This laptop is very slim, very light and very easy to carry about. Now let's take a look at the screen. This has a 14-inch Full HD screen. It's very slim and it's also very bright. It gives you nice contrast and nice colors when you're looking at the screen or when you're working with it. Now that we have taken our time to check every bit of the outer part of the laptop, it's time to power it on. You would have your power indicator on the left side of your laptop. As you can see, the HP logo pops up very nicely. Now at this stage, I'm going to have to set it up and put this laptop into use. I'm going to fast forward this part so as not to cause any delay. So guys, now that I am done with the setup, I'm going to be showing you some few things such as the hard drive size, the RAM, and the graphics card adapter properties. So let's first start off by going to this PC. That is where we're going to find the hard drive size, the storage properties, and everything involved. So let's first of all start checking the overall properties of this PC. You need to right click on any blank space under this PC page and then click on properties. Now let's take a look at the hard drive. As you can see from the screen, you can see that the hard drive size is exactly as I mentioned before and everything is intact. So let's go ahead and check the graphics card adapter properties. So as you can see from my screen, this laptop contains 128 megabytes of dedicated graphics adapter, and it's not that bad to use for everyday activities. So guys, if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. See you in my next unboxing or tutorial video. Goodbye.